Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just did a little bit of survey, just clean a little bit around it and make sure that the machine was working. We just tested it out. This machine was rocky because it was not turning on, and it also had very slow water flow. So we're gonna turn it on starting from very scratch. We're gonna do 2 espresso shots, one from using the third the third setting of the grinder, and then we're gonna make it to the final setting and do another shot to complete as well. So this one is again perfect, everything's good. No, sorry, doing perfectly okay. There you go, machine turning on fine. We got enough water, perfect. Warming up and doing the ring cycle. I remove my cup, I don't want it to get dirty. Again, we're starting the machine from scratch, so this machine is being off for an entire day, entire night. Just going to take a little bit for the machine to get to working temperature. There you go, now it's rinsing. Good water flow coming from the rinse. Perfect. Transmission going down and going back to the home position. And the machine, the infuser is on the ready position. We will be able to start brewing coffee. Grind perfectly fine. Size. We're going in the third setting of the grinder. Fast, but still good. You can see some foam coming out of the machine. Good water flow coming out of the machine as well. Now we can just, let me get another cup. Okay, now that I got another cup, we're gonna do another espresso shot, but now we're to find the setting. Whenever you adjust the grinder, make sure you adjust it when it's moving. That way you don't force it, and it'll be much easier for the grinder and the machine itself. Perfect. Alright, just a little bit slower as we are grinding at much finer coffee. But as you can see, steady flow coming out of the machine. Just our ounces, this is what I have right there. And now we're gonna do it again. little bit slow as Espresso since we're using the finest grind. Still able to extract the coffee. Just a little slow for water flow as we're using the finest grinder, finest setting of the machine, of the grinder. Just slow, let's do it again. Just the coffee. This machine requires 6 coffee to completely calibrate. Whenever you adjust the grinder, you need to do 3 shots of espresso to actually completely calibrate it and get the setting that it should be. And as I said before, the grinder we're using is super fine in this machine. It also depends a lot on your quality of coffee, what kind of beans you're using. If you're using dark roast or medium roast, we use a medium roast. And that one is not really, you don't really need to grind it that fine in order to extract coffee crema. And as you can see, I'm doing a little bit slower, but it's providing good crema. I'm gonna put a little bit more of our beans, and then I'm gonna adjust the grinder back to 3, and we're gonna compare. Okay, now that I have new beans in the machine, we're gonna put it back again to 3, which is the recommended 3 for the We're gonna do 3 shots of espresso, and then we're gonna convert it to this one. Right now, I'm still using a little bit of the old settings from the previous grind. So we're going to see a little bit of slower water flow coming out of the spouts. Okay, so that will be the first shot. We'll have to do another 2 more, and the new setting, new grind setting will be able to take place inside the machine. Just refill the water. Okay, the water is refilled. Water tank sensor works. And we're going to do another 2 more shots of espresso. Then you and then on. As you can see, the flow of the spouts is increasing as the machine is calibrating with the new grind setting. Now we can use our cup. This is a little bit of hot water. So we can clean our cup and warm it up as well. As you can see, there is flow coming out of the steam. It's really good. Okay. And now we'll do our cup. Now this will be the shot and the machine should already be calibrated. And as you can see, compared to the last other shot that we did with the final setting, this one is much faster. A little bit less crema, but still good. Now for the steam, it's gonna take a little bit for the machine to get up to pressure, but you'll be able to see steam in a couple of seconds. machine does not have the peanut oil in the top, but you should still be able to see steam coming out of the one cell. As you can see, this one has good pressure, excellent temperature, and it's looking really great. Yeah, excellent temperature as well. 5.3 Celsius, working excellent. And now we're going to turn it off. Let the machine cool off for a bit. And turn it off. It's going to do the rinsing cycle, the automatic rinsing cycle. Perfect. Now we're going to disconnect it. And make sure there's no power in there. Perfect. Now we connect it. Does the light thingy. And there you go. Turns on. So thank you so much for approving Kanen coffee. Please subscribe.